Hello guys, welcome back to another video of RX development. So I'm back after a 1 month break. So in this video I'll show you how you can install a new inventory, which is obviously NP 4.0 inspired, in your QBcore server. So as now I don't have any inventory script in my QBcore server, so let's download the script first. So first you have to go to your GitHub and download this PS inventory script. After downloading it, simply cut it and paste it in your QBcore server. So after paste it, just unzip it, and after that just rename the folder name to QB inventory. After that you have to open your Visual Studio Code in your PC and simply drag and drop this script to your Visual Studio Code. After that just search for PS inventory and replace it with QB inventory. Okay, so it's basically changed all the event which is started from PS inventory to QB inventory. Now just go to your JS and search for UI HTML, and after that just go to that 52 number line and just change it to this images slash body.png. Okay, so after that it's all okay, you're good to run in your server. You can change your configuration according to your need. So basically this is the max inventory in your max inventory weight in your inventory script, and this is the slots. This is the cleanup drop time. It's basically by default it's 15 second. You can increase or it or decrease it. And this is the item prop. This is the, like, the prop is visible when you drop something, and is the progress bar. I'm changing it to true. I'm needed that progress bar when I'm opening my inventory. And this is the basically the crafting stubs and attachment stubs. It comes with this inventory. You can change this in your client main Lua. So basically it's all okay. So go to my server and just type refresh, and I'm ensuring my QB inventory. Yeah, it's running now. As you can see, this is the shortcut items, and this is the item inventory. So as you can see, so basically it's not showing that body thing. So we have to changing something in our HTML folder. Just change this folder name to images, and now it will be work. Now I'm opening my inventory, and this is the stress, and if you got any damage, it will show. So now I'm just spawning some item in my inventory. Suppose I'm spawning lockpick, 10 lockpick, and I'll show this is the lockpick items. If you need any inventory item images, so you can join my Discord server to get some exclusive inventory images in my Discord server. So this is the like inventory thing, and this is the inventory use and give function. You can split your items and you can easily split it and give someone, and this is my local host, no one is my nearby. And when you drop something like some items, and you will show the props in the flow. So yeah, and when I'm press the tab key, you can see this the drop items. So now I'm spawning the weapon. So I'm spawning the advanced rifle in my inventory. So, and I'm just drop it down to the ground. Just boom, and you can see this the item props in the flow. So this is the unique inventory for your QBcore server. As you see, it will be show your character name, phone number, state ID, also the citizen ID, and it's too like optimized, so you can easily install in your server. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can comment to my YouTube channel. If you need any kind of help, you can join my Discord server too. Thanks for watching my video. Till then, stay safe, guys.